hazard. Tests of the receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday near 12 noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next day without a severe weather threat. The following tones will conclude this test. Of Snohomish and King counties. Today, sunny.
Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert. Be on the lookout for an abducted child from Franklin County, Ohio. Child was last seen at 801 East 5th Avenue, Columbus, Ohio. The suspect is believed to be driving a 2013 blue Dodge Avenger with Ohio license plate number JTC1000. The vehicle has heavy front end damage and no side mirrors. The suspect has been identified as Rajon M. Drake, 30-year-old black female, 5 feet 3 inches, 155 pounds with brown hair. The abducted child is My Angel Thomas, a 10-year-old black female with brown hair, last seen wearing a blue/green one-piece leopard print, one-piece and tan Crocs. Please call 1-877-AMBER, Ohio, or dial 911 immediately if you see this child, the suspect, or the suspect vehicle. This concludes the emergency alert system message.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.